In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a link on Instagram story. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app, and there, let's say I have a story with a link sticker, and now I want to copy that link from that sticker. Unfortunately, there are no option on Instagram itself to copy that link, but there is a simple trick how you can do that. So first, open up that story and then just hit on that sticker. Now it says visit link, and all you have to do is just hit right there to open up web browser to actually go to that web page where you can tap at this three dots icon and then just hit on copy link to copy that link from browser address box to your clipboard. And now you can open up any messenger, let it be WhatsApp, and then you can open up some conversation and just hit on paste to send this link to somebody. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.